Welcome to this quick guide on how to restrict saving content from your Telegram group on web for PC using the latest update. If you're managing a busy group and want to keep media from being easily saved outside the chat, this feature can help you maintain privacy and control. First, open Telegram web on your PC and log in with your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you want to apply the restriction. This is the place where your members share photos, videos, and documents, so setting the limit here helps prevent offline copies. Next, look toward the top of the group page and click the three horizontal lines. This opens a compact menu with several management options for the group. You'll see a row of actions that let you customize how the group operates and what members can do. From there, select Edit. This takes you into the group's settings, where you can adjust various details like group name, description, and permissions. The goal here is to reach the section that governs what members are allowed to do with media and content within the chat. Within Edit, locate group type. This is where you switch between different privacy and interaction modes for the group. The interface might present options such as public or private, but your focus is on how content can be shared and saved. Choose Restrict Saving Content. By selecting this option, you enable a setting that prevents group members from saving media from posts to their devices. This helps protect your shared content from being saved outside the Telegram app, which can be important for sensitive or proprietary material. After enabling Restrict Saving Content, review any additional prompts or confirmations that Telegram Web presents. You may be asked to confirm your choice or to tailor exceptions for admins or specific roles. Confirm as needed to finalize the restriction. A quick tip: it's a good idea to communicate this change to group members so they know media can't be saved locally. You can pin a message in the group or post a quick note explaining the rationale and the new rule. That helps prevent confusion and sets clear expectations. If you ever need to adjust or revert the setting, return to the same menu path. Open the three lines, choose Edit, go to Group Type, and toggle Restrict Saving Content off. The changes take effect immediately, giving you real-time control over how content is handled in your Telegram group on web. That's all there is